friends, Running Kimono here, and here is a really great deal for some very inexpensive paper towel this week over at the Dollar General. Before we go a moment further, I'd like to give a very big shout out and thank you to Broad820 over on Instagram. She found this deal last weekend and it's working and it is fantastic. So this is what I'm just going to go through this bite by bite because it's a little bit confusing. So hopefully you can understand my explanation. So these guys are 2 for $8 and that is a sales promotion. The typical price for these are $5 each. And they are the 12 count of the Scott's Comfort Plus toilet paper. This is the barcode if you wish to scan it at home to see precisely what I'm talking about. So if you scan this little barcode, you'll notice a $1 digital coupon is popping up. And then if you go to the bottom of the app, there's 2 different promotions that are taking place. You have the weekly sales price of them at $4, 2 for $8 or $4 each. Plus there's a bigger one, which is save $4 when you spend $20. Now, even though it's ringing up for $16, the original price point for these are $5 a pack. So you're going to get both of these savings, which is really fantastic. So any day of the week, you have to do this guy in store only. So if you're going to fool around at home with your app, the math is not going to balance and it will be an extra $4 right off the bat. So you physically have to go in store to do this. So you're going to grab 4 of these Scott's toilet papers priced 2 for $8. So either use the app to scan if it's ringing up for that cost or look for the tags. So 4 of them is $16 on the nose. So it's originally $20 down to $16. And with that extra 4 off of 20 savings, as the original price point of these guys were $5 a piece, you're going to get an extra $4 off, plus that $1 digital. So you're paying $11 for the 4 toilet papers or $2.75 each. You can do this any day of the week. If you live in a very big city where there's a ton of couponers, there probably won't be any toilet paper by the weekend because this is really, really cheap, especially for the Dollar General, and people tend to go really hard for paper deals. So make sure that you can grab at least 4. I know that some stores, I know in Chicago, they're really limiting what kind of paper you can take. Some stores are really being strict. But if you can swing this deal and you need some toilet paper, this is a very good deal and very smart. Okay, guys, now just if you're going to do this deal, take a picture of the receipt and send it off to the Fetch Rewards app. As Kimberly Clark, which is the branch of Scott, is part of their catalog, you will get back extra bonus points for doing such a large purchase of Scott's toilet paper. So photograph that receipt and get your points. And if you've never heard of this app, today's your lucky day. Check out the link pinned in the notes for new signups only. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum that you bought last week at the Dollar General or a candy bar this morning. You're given $2. Gift cards start around that $3 or $5 mark. So if you're a couponer sitting on 6,000 receipts, take a bunch of photos and you will be drinking some Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks this afternoon and becoming addicted to this app. It's super easy to use. If you buy a lot of groceries, have a large family, photograph that receipt. You never know what's part of their catalog, and these points amount towards gift cards. It's going to be Christmas soon. You need some gift cards. Check out this app. It is terrific. Linked at the top of the notes. Okay, what about Saturday? Well, I got you covered. So we're going to need this guy loaded, which is the 5 off of 25. And we're going to grab 4 of these guys. If you're living in a smaller town or rural, you'll have no problem with this. If you're living in a bigger city, we'll talk about the paper towel here in a quick second. Grabbing 4 of these for $16. This is the instant savings. And because this is an instant savings at the register, we're going to actually be adding a $29 basket to get it right to $25. These are the 2 promotions that I was talking about again. And this is for in-store only. So if you're going to fool around with the app and say, it's not working, you got to go in store and do it, guys. Not negotiable. And this is the digital that we need loaded, which is the $1 off. And then the next item we're going to grab in the store is one of these gains. So whatever one you want, where that $2 digital is attaching. I know I'm always like, grab the detergent, but if you want something like dryer sheets, go for it. But make sure the $2 is attaching. I'm going to grab one of these because I'm so basic. And then we have this wonderful $2 digital that's attaching. So we get our gain fix this week. And then we're going to grab this little lady for $3.30, the Bic Soleil. And if you can't find this in store, I also have another alternative here in a second. And then we're going to need this guy loaded, which is the $3. And then we are also grabbing one of these bags of the Purex pods for $3. And there's a $2 digital coupon. So how generous is that? And then we're going to need the $2 loaded. And here he is in his full glory, the $2 digital. Have it loaded. Okay, guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this one. For the Scott's toilet paper is 16. Subtracting that instant savings at the register, it's actually 12. And we really have to pay attention and factor that in because if we just would take the 16, it would maybe not make us qualify for the 5 off of 25. So that's why our subtotal had to be at least 29. But I'm not going to type all that out because it's annoying. But the math has been already figured out right there, guys. And one of the Gain detergents for $6.95, one Bic Soleil razor for $3.30, and then one Purex for $3. So the total is actually $29.25. Subtracting the instant savings, though, it's $25.25. You'll punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning everything. Off comes the 5 off of 25. Along with the $8 of digitals that we showed you in the slides previous, you're paying $12.25 out of pocket, not including your tax, shaking it out to $1.75 per product. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and you're laughing all the way to the bank and back. Okay, so looking at this a different way, we're going to think about what if there's some items that are just not in stock and you're like, I don't know what do I want to do here, but I still want to do the deal. So we're going to grab two of these guys at a regular price of $5.50. So this is not 2 for $8. They're $5.50 each, which is the regular price point. However, this stuff is part of the 4 off when you spend $20. So it should trigger it as well if your store doesn't have the toilet paper. But the toilet paper is the much better deal because it's 2 for $8. We're also going to kind of change the deal around and grab one of these oils and the little starter by Airwick for $3.35. They have their big fall and winter collection that's starting to pop up at many stores. So if you can't find any air care, I know you'll be able to find one of these guys for $3.35. And then we have these $1.50 digitals, which are very generous. So make sure that you have this guy loaded for this deal. So this deal is like a take on the last one, but just kind of changed it up. Again, a little bit confusing. So we're grabbing 2 Scott's toilet paper. They are 2 for $8. And then 2 of the paper towels at $5.50. But the original price of the Scott's toilet paper is $5. So that's a price point if you add all of the paper towel and the toilet paper of $21, subtracting $4, and also factoring the sales price of 2 for $8, we are at $15. Okay, so now we're also going to grab one of those Gain detergents for $6.95 and then one Airwick plug at $3.35. So the total after all of the instant savings and the sales price is $25.30, subtracting the 5 off of 25 and $4.50 of digital manufacturers, the $1 for the Scott, the $2 for the Gain, and the $1.50 for the Airwick. You're left with paying $15.80 out of pocket, shaking it out to $2.63 per product. Not too shabby. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!